Organizing a successful event requires careful planning, attention to detail, and effective execution. Whether you're hosting a corporate conference, a charity fundraiser, or a community gathering, the success of your event can have a lasting impact. In this article, we will explore 7 essential tips that can help you increase the success of your event and leave a positive impression on your attendees. Define your objectives. Before you dive into the planning process, it's crucial to clearly define the objectives of your event. Are you aiming to educate, entertain, raise funds, or promote networking? Understanding your goals will guide your decision-making and help you create an event that aligns with your purpose. Plan strategically. A well-thought-out plan is the backbone of any successful event. Create a comprehensive timeline that outlines tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities. Break down the planning process into manageable steps, from selecting a venue and setting a budget to designing promotional materials and coordinating logistics. Know your audience. Tailor your event to cater to the preferences and needs of your target audience. Conduct thorough research to understand their interests, demographics, and expectations. This knowledge will enable you to curate content, speakers, and activities that resonate with your attendees, making the event more engaging and valuable for them. Create compelling content. Engaging and relevant content is key to keeping attendees interested and invested in your event. Whether it's informative presentations, interactive workshops, or inspiring keynote speeches, ensure that your content aligns with your event's objectives and provides value to participants. Leverage technology. Incorporate technology to enhance the attendee experience and streamline event operations. Utilize event management software for registration, ticketing, and communication. Leverage social media platforms and event apps to keep attendees informed and engaged before, during, and after the event. Focus on networking opportunities. Networking is often a primary reason why people attend events. Create opportunities for attendees to connect and interact with each other. Incorporate icebreaker sessions, networking breaks, and collaborative activities to foster meaningful connections and encourage knowledge sharing. Solicit feedback and adapt. After the event, gather feedback from attendees, sponsors, and stakeholders. Analyze what went well and identify areas for improvement. Use this feedback to refine your approach for future events and ensure a continuous cycle of growth and enhancement. Organizing a successful event requires careful planning, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of your audience. By defining clear objectives, strategically planning, creating engaging content, leveraging technology, fostering networking opportunities, and continuously seeking feedback, you can significantly increase the success of your event. Remember, a well-executed event not only leaves a positive impression on attendees, but also establishes a strong foundation for future endeavors.